Hi, welcome back to school. Yeah, we are back to school. Today is our first official lesson. I want to believe you are doing well by the grace of God. Today we are going to consider the Twi alphabet. But before we go into the lesson, I want to share this with you. The English alphabet has 26 letters or characters, whereas the Twi has 22. There are 6 letters in the English alphabet that is not in the Twi, yet the Twi has 22. This explains why. After the Twi knocks out 6 of the English, it introduces 2 of its own. So you are going to have inverted C and 3 in the Twi alphabet as O and A. O and A. So it means that in the English alphabet, these 2 letters are not there. When you go through the Twi, you are not going to find these letters as well. C, J, Q, V, X, and Z or Z. With that said, let's now go through the Twi alphabet. So we have A, B, B, D, D, A, So let's run through it quickly. A, B, D, E, F, G, H, I, K, L, O, P, R, S, T, U. Let's go to our first assignment. Question 1. I said that there are 6 letters in the English alphabet that is not in the Twi. Name 4. Question 2. Write down one of the alphabets in the Twi that is not in the English. Before I go, I want to make this appeal. Before you and I can write the Twi well, we will need to have the Twi keyboard on our phones. And so whether you are on iOS or Android, go to your Play Store or your App Store and key in Twi keyboard. Twi keyboard. You will have different options to choose from. I will show you the one that I use currently. So when you download the one you want, you go to settings to go and set it up on your phone. That app or that keyboard is 2-in-1, so you can decide to use only that, or you can use that with the English keyboard you already have on your phone. Until I grace your screens again same time next week, I want to plead that you keep hope alive. Bye bye.